Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Nova. In this video I'll show you how to calibrate gyroscope. In the beginning, place your controller flat, horizontally. Now, long press mode button and capture button for 2 seconds. At this point, left and right stick RGB cycle will flash red and blue. Wait for the left and right stick RGB cycle to return to their original color to calibrate controller. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.